This is an audio-visual representation of a study published in the Journal of Bone and Joint Surgery in 2019. Distal femoral replacement, or DFR, is a salvage option for complex primary and revision total knee arthroplasty, or TKA, with excellent immediate outcomes like fixation and weight bearing. However, the long-term outcomes of this option have not been explored. What are the implant survivorship, clinical outcomes, and radiographic results of TKAs with contemporary DFR components? To answer this, 144 consecutive TKA cases performed with DFR at a single academic institution were identified. Data regarding original operative indication, cumulative incidence of revision and reoperation, knee society scores, and radiographic results were recorded. The 10-year cumulative incidences of revision for aseptic loosening, all-cause revision, and any reoperation were 17.0%, 27.5%, and 46.3% respectively. An increased risk of reoperation was noted in patients who underwent DFR for aseptic TKA loosening or periprosthetic joint infection, compared with periprosthetic or native femoral fractures. However, there was no difference in the risk of revision for aseptic loosening or all-cause revision based on original operative indication. The mean knee society score increased from 45 preoperatively to 71 at the time of the latest follow-up. Radiographic loosening was observed in 8 unrevised DFRs. The findings highlight the efficiency of TKA with DFR as a final reconstructive option and show that most patients experienced substantial clinical improvements with this revision procedure.